Yeah, we did. Well, we kicked enough, we kicked 12 enough for 2 tractors.
Rainy Lake. Well, we're here in Rainy Lake again now. There's 6 of us again on this trip. There's Bruce, Reg, Dad, Derek, and a guy who was supposed to be with us last year, but couldn't make it last year, Keith Garrett. So, yeah, so we're supposed to get in Thursday, but unfortunately, foggy and windy conditions delayed our trip for 2 days. But we're here now, so we're going to make the most of our Canada Day weekend and see what trout we can catch. So, let's see.
I got my biggest one last year. One was up after dawn.
Yeah. I got one. Oh, nice one. Oh, nice little one this. Not a trout, but first one. There you go. Oh, Jesus! Frig, I had a nice one there. Alright, got something, man. Hopefully it's a trout. Feels like it, yeah. Ah, another one in it, stop. Yeah.
Better than nothing.
Yeah. Okay, come on. Well, it's 2 winners for me, no trout, but still that's gone today, so we're going to keep fishing and see what we get.
Oh, window. Trout. Good windish or trout?
Well, that was another winning ish for me. That's 3 winning ish. Trout for Ridge, and couple bites for Bruce. That's it. And a stick for Ridge. Yeah. Ridge thought he had a big trout on, and it turned out he had a great big stick. That's it. That's all you can do.
Well, you got the biggest stick in there.
Yeah. Well, yeah. First keeper of the morning. Not the real monster like we hoped for, but he'll do, won't he, boys?
Yeah.
That's perfect. Now, great way to start the weekend. There you go. Okay, there's Reg with one on there now. And geez, looks like a nice one there. Holy crap, Reg, what have you got on? Geez, you're gonna have to cut the basket in half. Holy crap! Holy jumping Reg. There we go. I got the color. Holy jumping Reg. Oh, he got it. Perfect. All right. My God, look. That's something. Man, oh man. Yeah, can't get no better than that. Yeah.
Put a bag, sir. eggs are up in the freezer. They're up in the shade.
In the shade?
They're up in the tent.
Yeah, I was just gonna say what you say the shade for. There's our catch there for this evening. Not as good as we did this morning, but pretty good. We have done better. But
We'll lay them all out.
yeah, sure. Yeah, but we're gonna clean them now, throw them in the freezer, and hope for the best now tomorrow. We're gonna spend the rest of the evening at camp, have supper, and enjoy fire. All right. Good evening. It is day 2 here at Rainy Lake. Fortunately, I never bothered to take the camera with me when we were out trouting because it was a bit windy, a bit rainy, and I didn't want to risk ruining it and whatnot. So, but we went out fishing earlier this morning, and Dad and I got 2. Derek and Keith got 1. Bruce and Reg stayed at camp by themselves, waited for us to get back. So yeah, it was a good day, but conditions were a bit blustery and rainy for filming. So we're gonna get supper ready, and we're just gonna take it easy and enjoy the evening.
See a big wild animal come out of the woods, a big creature.
Wait, I got to figure out how to
Something like that, with horns. And he's going like this. When I draw this picture of Keith.
Maybe I could bring in a carver.
Okay, give me
Not
one.
in carver.
Dress up white, Keith. That probably might help a bit better.
I'll find you some. Hi Lance, how you doing, buddy?
All good, man. How you been?
Oh, good. Just did a little cooked dinner here tonight, and I got some chicken legs, some sausages, some gravy made here.
Oh man, that looks delicious.
Yeah. So we're gonna do that tonight, and got some extra stuff here, some cabbage, and let's see if I got any cabbage here. Oh, there's a big piece of cabbage.
I'm not a cabbage person,
No?
so if you can eat that yourself, that won't be a
I'm sure
problem.
there's a lot of guys out there like cabbage.
Now, in the meantime, I can take the carrots, potatoes, turn up, mash them together, and
Oh yeah.
with some chicken and gravy and those sausages.
I got a lot more stuff in that here too, right? I got.
Oh, that's good. That's
I got
good.
Turnip, carrots, potatoes. Man, I got parsnip. I don't know what else I got. A lot of stuff. Anyway, it's gonna be all good.
Oh,
Look,
for
there's
sure.
more cabbage coming out.
Yeah.
We got good wood there for tonight.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks, Lance.
Mhm. There's today's catch. That one there was mine, and those first 2 were mine, and that one there was Keith's. So we're gonna clean them up shortly, and we're gonna put them in the freezer.
Down Florida, flopping around with. See what? Remember?